Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the 10 best Adobe Serif fonts for designers. Fonts that are elegant, professional, and perfect for branding, editorial, posters, logos, and more. Let's get started. First up is Adobe Garamond Pro. Adobe Garamond Pro is a classic serif font with timeless style. It's elegant, readable, and great for both print and digital design. Next is Minion Pro. Minion Pro is a versatile serif font that works beautifully in body text and headline. It has a balanced, traditional look that designers love for editorial and branding work. Third on the list is Caslon. Adobe Caslon has a historic serif style with strong character. It's great for sophisticated design projects, books, and luxury branding. Fourth is Adobe Jensen Pro. Jensen Pro has an old-style serif feel with a human touch. It brings warmth and classic beauty to elegant design layouts. Next is Trajan Pro. Trajan Pro is a bold, iconic serif font inspired by Roman inscriptions. It works perfectly for dramatic headlines, posters, and titles. Sixth is Baskerville. Adobe Baskerville is a refined serif font with strong contrast and excellent readability. It's ideal for upscale editorial and professional layouts. Seventh is Arno Pro. Arno Pro blends classic serif elegance with modern proportion. It's perfect for both body text and striking headline. Next is Chaparral Pro. Chaparral Pro is a slab serif-inspired serif font with a friendly, readable style. It works well in branding, editorial, and UI design. Ninth is Perpetua. Perpetua is a graceful serif font with distinctive strokes and strong personality. It adds artistic flair while remaining professional. And last is Adobe Caslon Small Caps. This variation of Caslon adds strong character and versatility, especially when you need elegant headings or sophisticated logo text. These serif fonts help your designs look refined, professional, and expressive. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.